Simple Task Tracker Google Sheets template. This template has simple design. You can add tasks in To-Do tab, and in the beginning of each row are checkboxes that you can switch tasks between the To-Do tab and In Progress tab. Where in Progress tab, you can select a checkbox, and the task will be visible in the Done tab. Unchecking the checkbox, the task will be switched back into To-Do list. Same as in Progress tab. If you uncheck the checkbox, it will return from Done to In Progress tab. Reminders tab include the To-Do list and In Progress list that the reminder is set for today's date. Top right button will send notifications to each user emails. You can update the email template in the Settings tab. Currently, there are 2 tasks listed for today's date. Clicking the button, it will send a reminder to each user with the task details. The Dashboard tab includes simple analytics for the tasks. Bars percentage of the finished tasks. Total today's tasks, users involved in the tasks, priority, and category. Thanks for watching.